map products for large-scale wildfire incidents, including, the Slater fire, which is what I'm going to show you on here. All these products from the Slater fire, which was a fire that burned about half in, actually more like two-thirds in California down here, about a third up in Oregon, so about 50,000 acres in Oregon, about 100,000 acres in California when all is said and done. And this is the overall briefing map. This map is usually printed very large, even bigger than architectural E, which is 3 by 4 feet. It can be all the way up to potentially like 6 by 10 feet and large sizes like that. But this is the briefing map. When when you have a big fire like this, you'll actually in the fire camp have GIS specialists that respond out. I go on details, doing that work as needed. So we'll go and we'll set up in the fire camp. We'll be camping with the firefighters, but instead of going out to the line and doing work on the fire line, we will be in camp creating map products and updating map products to go out to the firefighters and to the incident commanders for use for that. We work on evacuation maps. So from a different fire, from the Mosier Creek fire in August of this year, another one of the deployments I did this summer, the sheriff's office in Oregon is responsible for evacuations in each county. So one thing that we do is we make maps for the sheriff's office of the county on a fire that we're on if we're deployed on that fire and help them with their evacuations. So this map shows evacuation zones, showing the level ones in green, the level twos in yellow, the level threes in this softer pinker red color, and then the fire boundaries in red itself here. This helps people understand exactly who is under an evacuation order, who needs to get out right now, versus areas that maybe they should be aware of the fire being going on around them, but they don't need to be taken off and leaving this instant. And then this is another type of map. This one will be printed on architectural C, which is that 1.5 by 2 feet. This map is a structural operations map. So this is what structure firefighters need and use to go in and get a good view of the situation they're going to for the fire, finding homes and taking actions necessary to protect homes that are threatened by the fire, or to go in and evaluate homes that can be saved and ones that the conditions aren't there where it's not safe to potentially put a fire engine right on it and protect it. So those are just a quick sampling of the products that I make on those maps or on those incidents, or that I contribute to making on those incidents.